This pressure washer heater from NorthStar turns your cold water pressure washer into a powerful hot water pressure washer. The diesel burner heats water up to 250 degrees to make quick work of dirt, paint, rust, and more. It works with pressure washers from 2 gallons per minute to 4 gallons per minute, and a maximum of 4,000 psi. It features a fully encased coil assembly and heat exchanger, thermostat control, and an extended 4-gallon fuel tank to give you long-term heating power for your biggest projects. A 5-foot quick couple hose easily connects to the pressure washer pump, and a 36-foot GFCI cord plugs into a standard outlet for convenient power in any location. Heat water quickly and conveniently with this pressure washer heater from NorthStar.